New Year's Eve, a time for celebration and delicious food. It's a moment when friends and family come together to share joy and create lasting memories. What better way to welcome the new year than with a dish that's both impressive and easy to prepare? A dish that not only looks stunning but also tastes divine. My honey glazed baked salmon fits the bill perfectly. This dish combines the rich flavors of fresh salmon with the sweet and savory notes of honey glaze. It's elegant enough for a special occasion, yet simple enough for a casual gathering. Whether you're hosting a grand party or a cozy family dinner, this dish is versatile. This dish is a true crowd pleaser. Guests will be impressed by its presentation and delighted by its taste. The salmon is baked to flaky perfection, and the honey glaze adds a touch of sweetness that everyone loves. Each bite is a harmonious blend of flavors. Plus, it's a healthy and flavorful way to indulge during the holiday season. Packed with omega-3 fatty acids and proteins, it's a nutritious choice. I can already smell the delicious aroma filling your kitchen. The scent of honey and baked salmon is simply irresistible. It's the kind of smell that makes everyone excited for dinner. It brings people together, creating an atmosphere of warmth and anticipation. The best part? This recipe is incredibly easy to follow. With clear instructions and simple steps, even a novice cook can master it. You'll be amazed at how effortlessly you can create a restaurant-quality dish at home. Your guests will think you spent hours in the kitchen, but only you will know the secret. For the salmon, 1.5 pounds salmon fillet, skin on or off. For the glaze, a 1/4 cup honey, 2 tablespoons Dijon mustard, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 clove garlic minced. These simple ingredients come together to create a symphony of flavors. The honey adds sweetness, the Dijon mustard provides a tangy kick, and the soy sauce lends a savory depth. Don't forget the garlic. It adds a wonderful aroma and a hint of spice. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. This step is crucial to ensure that your oven is at the perfect temperature for cooking the salmon evenly. This ensures that your salmon cooks evenly and to perfection. An even temperature means the fish will be tender and juicy, not dry or undercooked. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper. This not only prevents the salmon from sticking, but also makes the cleanup process much easier. This will make cleanup a breeze. No more scrubbing stubborn bits off the tray. In a small bowl, whisk together the honey, making sure it's smooth and well blended. Add Dijon mustard, soy sauce, and minced garlic. These ingredients will create a delicious glaze that adds a burst of flavor to the salmon. This is your glaze, and it's going to work its magic on the salmon. The combination of sweet honey and savory mustard is simply irresistible. Place the salmon fillet on the prepared baking sheet. Make sure it's centered and has enough space around it for even cooking. Pour the honey glaze over the salmon, ensuring it's evenly coated. Use a brush to spread it if necessary, so every part of the fillet gets some of that delicious glaze. Bake for 12 to 15 minutes or until the salmon is cooked through and flakes easily with a fork. The timing can vary depending on the thickness of your fillet. Keep a close eye on it to prevent overcooking. Overcooked salmon can become dry and lose its flavor. There you have it, a perfectly baked salmon with a golden honey glaze. The glaze should be caramelized and slightly sticky. Doesn't it look absolutely tempting? The golden hue and the aroma are sure to make your mouth water. It's time for the best part, enjoying the fruits of your labor. Share this delightful dish with family and friends, and watch their faces light up with joy. I love to serve this honey-glazed baked salmon with a side of roasted vegetables and wild rice. The earthy flavors of the vegetables and rice complement the sweetness of the glaze beautifully. You can also add a squeeze of fresh lemon juice over the salmon for an extra burst of freshness. For those who prefer a bit of heat, try adding a pinch of red pepper flakes to the glaze. You can also experiment with different herbs. Fresh thyme or rosemary would add a wonderful aroma to the dish. No matter how you choose to serve it, this honey-glazed baked salmon is sure to impress your guests. It's a versatile dish that can be paired with a variety of sides. It's easy to prepare, healthy, and perfect for any occasion. Whether it's a casual family dinner or a festive holiday feast, this dish will be a hit. The combination of sweet and savory flavors makes it a crowd pleaser. Plus, it's a great way to ring in the new year with a delicious and nutritious meal.